Hello everyone, this is my alarm clock project. Here I'm showing the current time. Uh, these are the input attributes which will allow us to take input from the user. These is the alarm list that we have already set. So let's try following a 50 set alarm, and exactly to 11:50 alarm sounds. So you can hear the alarm stop. It stops the alarm, and this is the code. As you can see, this is the main div which contains the input tags and the attributes, and this is the div in which we show time, and this is the div which contains our input alarms list. This is the CSS part of the project. We have different classes and IDs to style our components differently. Mm, and this is the JS part. This is the function which shows the time on our HTML page, mm, and calculates if the alarm is set, and if the alarm is set it will sound in the alarm. This is the function which gets us time, whatever the current times it would get by calling this function. This is the function list, and this function sets the alarm. We get the time from the HTML page and then store it in a list of alarms. Mm, This is the this part renders the list of alarms that we have seen. If you add alarms, the list this will be called and the alarms will be set. This is a delete item function. We When we have to delete an alarm, we call this function. As you can see, if I click the delete button, the alarm get deleted. Thank